So, with a successful lemonade stand, starting off her fundraising trail when she donated proceeds to child education in 2017, young Imani Leigh-Hall is back again with a COVID-friendly way to raise funds. And we're joining her on Zoom to find out about this project. Hi, Imani Leigh. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, you look so cute this morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Yes, you sound like you're wide awake. Before we talk a little bit about your Lemonade Foundation and talk a little bit about this actual 3K that you're putting on, you're 10 years old and you're living through what we call a pandemic. What have the last couple of months been like for you?
Well, I like going outside and seeing my friends, so it's been a little hard, but I found ways to cope with it, like doing arts and crafts and painting and stuff like that. So it hasn't been as hard, but
Yeah.
it's been hard.
Yeah. How have you been going to school?
I'm on Zoom.
Okay, you've been, and do you also use that as a way to connect with your friends as well?
Zoom and FaceTime.
Yeah, okay. Not quite the same, but at least you get a chance to keep in touch, right? Yeah. All right, so tell me a little bit about your lemonade stand. 2017 was when you started. Why did you start the ILAH's Lemonade Foundation?
Why did I start? Sorry?
Why did you start the foundation?
Oh, well, one Christmas when I was opening my presents, I had asked my mom, I was wondering, and I had asked my mom, where do all the children, like, or why, when do they get their presents? Because I was wondering, because I knew that they don't have any parents. So I was wondering, where do they get their presents? And my mom had told me that they don't really get any presents assigned to them specifically, they just get treats. And I had wanted to make a difference in that. So I would ask her if we could do a lemonade stand or something that could raise money for them to get their own presents specifically assigned to them. And I didn't want it to be a treat. I wanted it to be like their own Christmas, what I had had, because I don't think it's really, I wanted to make a difference in their lives. And that's really why I had started the lemonade stand.
Wow. Okay, so you started this initiative in 2017, and how were you raising money? Were you literally selling lemonade?
Yes.
Yeah. Where? Tell us how you started out.
I started out selling lemonade one Labor Day in my complex, and all of my neighbors had bought, and that's how I started out.
Yeah, and then you started growing, right? You started going out and selling in different locations, and people supported you very, very much.
Yes,
Yeah.
they did.
So this now is something you're doing to assist the young kids who are suffering or at a disadvantage as a result of COVID. You are looking to raise some money through a virtual 3K run. Tell us a little bit about that, Imani, so we can support you.
So the virtual 3K run is just, since we recently received charitable status, we wanted a way to put it out there, and we were planning to do a fun run, but then this whole COVID-19 came around and we had to find out the next best thing. Becca Sports helped us to find out the next best thing, which was a virtual fun run. So now we're trying to put that on, and it's actually already started from May 13th to May 30th. So yeah.
Okay, so people just go on. Where do we go to register for this?
You can go to my IG page, ILAH's Lemonade, and the link is in the bio, or my.race.results.com.
Okay, or my race result, this flyer is saying, .com. It's 1,500 Jamaican or $12 US. And you run whenever you feel like it, right, Imani?
Yeah, whenever you feel.
Okay, so you just sign up and then you commit to running the 3K, but you would have made the donation. The ECC, the Early Childhood Commission, is supporting this. And your aim is to do what with the funds that you raise? You're looking to raise $500,000. What do you want to do with that money?
Well, when I calculated it, it wasn't really $500,000 because we wanted to get 200 tablets, so the estimate came up to $2.8 million.
Oh, okay.
But what I want to do with the tablets is I want to donate them to the Early Childhood Commission.
Okay, so that you can help the kids who do not have a way to do online learning right now, right? Yeah, fantastic. It's myraceresults.com, or you can go to Imani Leigh's Instagram page, ILAH's. What's the Instagram page, Imani?
ILAH's Lemonade.
ILAH's Lemonade, and that's aid with an AID, right? Yeah, okay. Guys, this is a fantastic initiative. A virtual 3K, you just pay the 1,500 or the 12 years per person. You run whenever you feel like it. Just make sure you finish your 3K. If it's even in 3 parts, which would be probably my approach, and support Imani Leigh in her attempt to get at least 200 tablets for children and teachers in infant schools to use for online teaching and learning, particularly during this COVID-19 lockdown. Thank you very much, Imani Leigh. All the best to you. Great initiative and great going.
Thank you.
Good job. 10-year-old and, I mean, just amazing impact. Founder of ILAH's Lemonade Foundation, Imani Leigh-Hall. Take a break on Smile. Come back with more. If you watch Bravo's Married to Medicine LA like Dahlia, you will definitely know our next guest. Stick and stay. We're going to get to that after this break.